Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds and oo. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then, I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the oo sound in the word pool. Pool, pool. Now the sound in the word pull. Pull, pull. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Did you pull her into the pool? Did you pull her into the pool? Did you pull her into the pool? Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!